How's it going, YouTubers? It's me, AMR. Welcome to my unboxing video. In this video, I will be unboxing a special watch. This watch is from the Vingalop store on AliExpress. The link to that store is in the description below. Go check that store out, guys. The link below, I'm going to be linking this watch specifically. This is the C16 waterproof smartwatch. It's 1.7 inch sport tracker that can track, well, we don't know what it can track. We're going to open it and find out. That's what the box looks like. Vingalop store, guys. It's from the Vingalop store from AliExpress. Right down in the link below, I'm going to put a link to this watch, and as well as go and search their stores out. They've got some amazing watches. In the future, I'm going to be making a lot of videos on their watches because their watches are amazing. So that is the front of the watch, the C16 watch. And at the side, it says smartwatch. At the back, there is some details, which you can pause the video, how I read, man. CPU is that CPU, which I've never heard of before. It's a 3 ATM waterproof, 3 meter waterproof, I don't know. Display 1.69 inch, 280 by 320. Battery is a 350 milliamp polymer battery, and yeah, it seems like it's got a heart rate, which says some coding and stuff like that. It's compatible with Android as well as iPhone with DFit app. This barcode here, when you get this watch, you scan that barcode, you're gonna get DFit app, and then yeah, you can basically do more functions with it. Color, it comes in black and it comes in white. I don't know which one I've got right now. Maybe black, maybe white, but we'll find out as soon as we unbox this. So let's unbox this, or should I say unslide this. And there is the watch. Guys, the watch is looking absolutely beautiful. It looks really nice, very genuine. Normally from AliExpress, watches look really bad, but from the Vingalop store, the watches look like really genuine stuff, dude. But anyways, let's get it out of there. It's got this nice little plastic box thing that you just pull out. Really well protected. It's got a screen protector on there. And let's just pull the watch out. Really nicely protected. This has come all the way from China, I believe. And look at it. So there it is. And what else have we got inside the box? We got this really nice soft thing that was keeping the watch pretty protected in there, man. And what else do we have here? We got another box. We have the charging cable, which is, the charging cable is a USB to a wireless magnetic charger. Yes, it is. Wireless magnetic charger, which I believe, just a second, gets hooked up to over there. And yeah, oh, that dude, that is a strong magnet. Look at that. Snaps on right there, and you put that into wherever your power relies, man. And it's also got a protector over the heart rate sensor right there. Heart rate sensor. And you also have in here a pretty chunky instruction manual, which hopefully I will not need. And the rest of the box is empty. So let's put all the unnecessaries in here. Now then, onto the watch. I hope it's got charge to it. Let's peel this off. To be honest with you, I don't feel like peeling it off. You know me, I don't like peeling my screen. If I peel this off, it's still got a screen protector on it. Yeah, it still has. Beautiful. So this was protecting the screen protector. Right. So that's the watch itself. Incredible. Right. One moment. Now let's see if this turns on. It's got no buttons on that side. It's got two chunky buttons on this side. So power, this button, I'm going to press on. And it turns on. Dude, that looks amazing. Check it out. Beautiful, dude. Look at that spinning. It's got the time. It's got the date. Now, let's see what other function it has. It's fully touchscreen, by the way. It's got steps right there. It's got your sleep time. It has your heartbeat measure, which I believe is, yep, it's shining right there for hearts. It's got an exercise mode. It's got, it measures your BP, blood pressure. What? It measures it, dude. No way. It measures your SpO2. That's probably your blood oxygen. And it's got weather. It's got a camera. Has it? Have you got a camera? Just a sec. No, it doesn't have a camera. Sorry, I got surprised. This is a shutter button. So if it's connected to your phone, then it will. You can press this to take a photograph without touching your phone. It's got a music player. I think it's the music player. As you can see right there, it's not connected. I don't think it's got a speaker, but it's got. That's probably the music controller. Now then, dude, if you go that way, that's all the apps right there. That's the way how it looks. It's got QR code. It's got, you can have your messages over there. It's empty, but it's got a keyboard as well. So just a sec. Let's try and do something. Where are the settings for this thing, man? It's got a vibration function. Okay, you can move. I'm liking this UI here. Where's the settings, dude? I can't see the settings one at all. What's that? It's got theater mode. Turn off in vibration and turn down. Dude, the screen timeout is pretty bad in this because wait, what's that? Brightness. Just put that thing to full blast, man. For now, I still can't find settings anywhere. What's this? This is that BP measure thing again. That's the performance. Right, just a second, guys. I'll be right back with you until I find the settings. Right then, tubers. So then, you go back on this screen and then you go down like you would on your phone, and there comes the settings and other settings and stuff. Anything else? No, nothing else is there. If you scroll down, you'll get all your notifications which are on the watch. So, and one more thing, the most important thing, if you keep hold of this, you will get the watch faces. Now then, you can get this pretty formal watch face right here. You can get this which looking like two earths colliding. You can get, you know what? I'll just show you. This one's probably my least favorite. It's pretty blank. And where's the next one? This one looks pretty futuristic, man. It really makes the watch stand out. And oh my days, dude. This one, mate. And then you got this one. This one I like because you got all the features of the watch right there. I mean, like you got the heart rate. You've got the step counter thing. I mean, the step counter down there. I don't know what the hell that is. And you also have that the original one. And you got this one. This one looks pretty nice. Pretty neat. And let's leave it as that. And what's next? You've got Bluetooth here. That's probably what you're going to connect it with. Settings. I'll show you what's in the settings. That's the app QR code that you're going to get at the app on your phone. You've got about. Let's see what's in the about. You got all the code and stuff. MAC address. I don't understand what the MAC address is here, because isn't MAC addresses meant to be for things with Wi-Fi? Because this has not got Wi-Fi. Let's go back. Back. Power off. Reset. That theater mode there. Shake. No. Off. On. It's got vibration, by the way. It's got vibration. Pretty strong vibration. You got brightness. You got countdown. You got alarm. You got stopwatch. And that sums it up. Now I'm going to be back with you guys again, because I'm going to put this on my wrist. And I will show you guys what it looks like on my wrist. Right then, tubers. The watch has a sensor. When flip the wrist, it turns on. Motion. And this is what it looks like on my wrist. Just one moment. There we go. You know, it's like out of small, medium and large, it's on the medium size. I like my watches chunky. So if you like your watches chunky, you're going to love it. And yeah, I love it. My wrist is pretty good. You know, I don't have the biggest wrist in the world. My wrist is pretty small. But yeah, there you have it. Usually my wrist is rocking a Samsung Fit watch, which is right down here. And yeah, it is pretty bigger than that. And it's got a standard plastic wrist, which has got this. And yep, as you can see, closer. It's got some screws. You can take them. You can take the wrist bands off and put your own choice on. So there we have it, guys. This is the watch C16 from Vilgalup store on AliExpress. If you're interested in buying this, please make sure you have a look at that store in the description below. Thank you for watching. Smash in them comments below what you think about this watch. If If you've got any questions, smash in them questions. And also, any other questions, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to visit their store. Stay awesome. Peace out, man.